You're joining us at the Advanced Dynamic booth where we are admiring some brand new branding from the AD boys. Here to tell us more about that, what Advanced Dynamics does, and some of the machinery they brought with them this year here to the PPMA show is Malcolm. Malcolm, thank you very much for joining us. Your new branding looks great. It's very green, isn't it?
It is very green. You know what it's not? It's not blue. Because everybody else is blue, we needed a change. So we've been through a lot of changes in the last few years, and this was the final piece in the jigsaw. We finished the branding back in May, launched the website, and this is the first time we've had it at the PPMA show. We're very proud of it. We think it's very eye-catching, more dynamic, more modern, and so far the comments have been very, very positive.
Pleased to hear it. Yes, certainly stands out. And not only have you greenified your branding, also some of your hero machines here as well. You've also added a bit of a green light filter too. We'll come to that in a moment. But for anyone who isn't aware, tell us a bit about what Advanced Dynamic does, Malcolm.
Advanced Dynamics supply and support a range of packaging machinery, starting with filling machines, capping machines, labelling, sleeving, and ancillary equipment. So we're providing a complete line solution for liquids filling.
And you've got a filling machine, and actually with a labelling on the end there as well to show us.
Yeah, indeed. I mean, what we've got here is an 8-head servo filler. So this is a machine that will fill up to 1 litre, so from 100 millilitres up to 1 litre. It's servo driven, great flexibility and control over the filling volumes, very quick to change over. Similarly, you've got servo drives on, that getting too technical here, but the filling nozzles, you can dive quickly, you can fill slowly to start with, you can cover the tip of the liquid, then you can fill faster. It gives you a great deal of flexibility, and that's one of the things that's changed over the years in the packaging industry. It's the controls that's changed. The principle of a volumetric filler, it's been exactly the same for many years, but the controls has changed. That's what's giving us a greater degree of control.
And that control is important for different types of fluid that you're filling?
Exactly. I mean, you can fill water. That's not a particularly active product. You can fill that. You can really blast that in. Other liquids such as detergents, cleaning solutions, they will foam very, very quickly. So you need to make sure you get the tip of the filling nozzle underneath the surface. At that point, you can then really blast the liquid in, and you can then raise it up. If you don't do that, you're just going to get bubbles volcanoing out of the top of the bottle.
Super. Control. Power is nothing without control. And of course, it's not just the filling. You've got pretty much the whole solution going down the end, including different types of labelling as well.
We're applying a label at this point. Normally what we would have is a capping machine at this point here. So we fill it, we cap it, we then label it. And at this point, we can fill up to 80 bottles per minute out of this machine. The labeler itself will cope with 120 bottles per minute. So it's a good high capacity line, good for high volume. Get the product set, get it run, get your efficiencies, and this machine will pay for itself in a matter of months.
Very eye-catching. You've got another machine for slightly smaller capacity here, haven't you?
Indeed, slightly smaller capacity. What we've got here is a machine that was designed to be more flexible, quicker changeovers. So if you wanted to change over with product, size of fill, that bit quicker, that's what this has been designed for. Initially put together for the e-liquids market that has developed very, very rapidly in the last few years, but it's spanning out across toiletries, cosmetics, chemicals. It's being used for a whole host of industries.
Sure. Thank you very much for bringing some of your equipment here to the show this year, Malcolm. And tell us, what have you made of the show this year? It certainly seems to have been pretty busy on the show floor earlier on today. How's it been for you in terms of the conversations and the quality of the conversations you've been having with customers and contacts?
It's been good, good footfall. One can never judge too early at these exhibitions, but we've had a lot of people on the stand, a lot of interest, a lot of positive comments about our equipment. And the way we approach things, we do treat things somewhat differently at Advanced Dynamics. It's very much a personal sale rather than a contractual sale. We believe that selling a machine is the start of a relationship, one that will last for many, many years. That stands us in good stead. And so far today, yeah, a good day. I think tomorrow will be busier. Historically, it always is the busier day, and we've high hopes. Good.
Well, listen, really good to chat, Malcolm. Congratulations on all the different shades of green that you have on the booth here.
Thank you.
Wish you all the very best for the rest of this year's show.
Thank you.